The third coverage they often request, and the least often requested, but it's an important coverage you should have nonetheless, is the business automobile liability. So you're driving a car probably to the marina, though you're not driving it through the marina, in order to get to the job site. A lot of times they'll ask for that coverage as part of the certificate of insurance because the loading and unloading is not covered by that first general liability coverage. That's right. While you grabbed your tools or while you grab that part and you're taking it to the boat where you're going to make the repair, that walk. Auto liability is the policy that would pay for it, not the general liability if there was bodily injury or property damage that would occur. And that's why some marinas ask for it. They've had that loss. That's a very specific loss, but they've had it, and they now want to make sure that there is auto liability to pay and covered during that loading and unloading process.